join hands and face each other. We're gathered here today to join Rusty and Sarah in marriage according to the laws of the state of North Carolina. I require and charge you both, if you know any reason why you should not be lawfully joined, speak now or forever remain silent. Okay. Do you, Rusty, take this woman to be your lawful wedded wife? Do you love her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, keeping yourself only unto her as long as you both shall live? And do you, Sarah, take this man to be your lawful wedded husband? Do you love him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, keeping yourself only unto him as long as you both shall live? Okay, do you want the ring? Okay, Rusty, if you'll take Sarah's left hand and place the ring on her left finger, and repeat after me. This ring I give you, in token and pledge, of my constant faith, and abiding love. Okay. All right, Sarah, do you have one for us? Okay, well, we'll just take it out. Take Rusty's left hand. And repeat after me. This ring I give you.
This ring I give you.
In token and pledge.
In token and pledge.
Of my constant faith.
Of my constant faith.
And abiding love.
And abiding love.
Okay, if you two join hands, face each other. Now by the authority vested in me by the state of North Carolina and the county of Mecklenburg, I pronounce you husband and wife and kiss your bride. Congratulations. Now you can start arguing. Take this paperwork and remember what you said. Congratulations.
Congratulations.